Привіт, я Ruth. I've written a book called The Big Book of English Conversation Questions, and there's space to write the questions in Ukrainian or any other language you're learning. The first question is, do you know a word for hello in another language? And it sounds like this.
Чи знаєш ти слово «привіт» іншою мовою? Так, я знаю «ола» іспанською.
So the question in Ukrainian, чи знаєш ти слово привіт іншою мовою? And my answer, так, я знаю «ола» іспанською. The idea with this book is if you can ask and answer questions, if you can have a conversation, well, you're good. Really simple questions to start. The next question is, how are you today? And it sounds like this.
Як ти сьогодні? У мене все добре. Дякую.
Як ти сьогодні? У мене все добре. Дякую. I think I can do it. Next one, what's your name?
Як тебе звати? Мене звати Алекс.
Як тебе звати? Мене звати Ruth. The last question, is it morning, afternoon, evening or night? And this is how it sounds.
Зараз ранок, день, вечір чи ніч? Зараз день.
Okay. Зараз ранок, день, вечір чи ніч? Зараз день. I think I can answer those. The book that I've written is free to download from Sunday the 15th of June 2025 until Thursday the 19th of June 2025. So if you'd like 3,000 plus question prompts for conversation, you can download it on Kindle for free. There's a link in the description. Until the next one, do pobачення. Buvai.